Welcome to my channel. BMW has released photos of the prototype for its new i3 sedan, giving us a glimpse of what the production model will look like. Now, a completely new model is being prepared for its premiere, which will become part of an entire family of electric vehicles called Neue Klasse. The electric car will have a significantly shorter wheelbase, while the front overhang will be longer. It has the same retractable door handles, but the doors themselves are different. As for the rear, it will feature narrow horizontal lights, and the license plate niche will be located at the bottom of the trunk lid. The new sedan will be built on the same platform with 800-volt electrical architecture as the second generation iX3 crossover. Most likely, they will also share the same powertrains. For example, the i350 xDrive variant may get two electric motors with a combined output of 469 HP. And thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel.